Accidentally bought an avatar item, game pass, or inexperienced purchase in Roblox and need your Robux back? While Roblox generally maintains a strict refund policy, you can submit a direct appeal form for broken or unauthorized items. Let's walk through how to submit a ticket. Hit subscribe and let me show you. Log in to Roblox. Open your web browser, navigate to roblox.com, and log into your account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Help and Safety, open Violations and Appeals, and click Support. Fill in your username, first name, and email address. Make sure you use your actual Roblox username, not your display name. Choose the primary device hardware you use to play Roblox from the drop-down list. Under Type of Help category, choose Purchases using Robux. Select Website Item for clothing or avatar accessories, or Inexperience Item for game passes or developer products. In the description box, detail the exact item name, Robux amount spent, and your reason for requesting a refund. Click Continue and complete any verification prompts. Once submitted, keep an eye on your email inbox or support chat for any follow-up questions from the Roblox support team. If this video helped you navigate the support form today, please drop a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.